Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Efren the Marketer. Welcome to another video. I have Ali here, our gold level specialist. We're outside of gold level prints. I'm giving you guys an update. It was still a little rough. We got a lot of stuff done. We're still waiting on the gold level print sign on top, but we do have a showroom now. We are ordering more things, by the way. It took a lot because I'm gonna go through what exactly we did. So last time I think you guys were here, it was already kind of colored, and this obviously still needs a lot of work. The major things we did do in here was we were keeping the lights on during the summer and the AC here, and our bill came out to $1,400 for the first month, which was the biggest mistake. As you guys can see, the new lighting on top, we had an electrician come and put a different type of lighting where we can move the little lights to reflect onto wherever we want to. We did order a new piece to go on this wall, which is gonna kind of look like a grassy area like this, and it's gonna say print on there. The showroom is slowly getting there. We hung the TV up. We added a timer. Okay, so we added this timer here. What it does, we programmed it for the lights to come off at 6 in the morning and then to turn on at 7. That's when the sun goes in. So that's gonna save us money because that $1,400 was not nice to pay. We now have a shipping room where some of the orders are being shipped. I think this is an order here we're working on, which is a little ducky. What is this?
Pool services.
Yeah. Shouts out to Pool Services for using us. We appreciate you. First of all, I just want to say only 3% of our subscribers watch my videos. Isn't that messed up? That means 97% of the people watching these videos aren't subscribed. So if you haven't subscribed, you gotta do it right now, or else, I don't know. You could have.
Dun dun dun.
Or else Allie's gonna find you. You don't want that to happen. So yeah, we kind of made this into the shipping room. Oh, these are some new advertisements that we have going out to the neighborhood that says now open. We're officially going to be able to print everything. As you guys can see here, we have new machines coming in. So we're going to be able to do everything in-house. That was the big bad boy we're waiting for. Alex here turns into the expert, but we still have Christian. He actually grew 2 inches taller, which I'm super proud of him.
His brain is growing.
Yeah. So just thought, is this kind of petty? His mom follows me on Instagram, and his desk was a mess. So I go on Instagram and I'm just like recording all this, and I send it to his mom and I go, look at your son, how dirty he is. And
he actually threw some extra things that were mine on there.
Did your mom say anything or no?
Yeah, she just laughed.
Oh, okay. I was hoping he got an ass whooping, but no, it's not good. He's actually killing it. He's here, Gold Level Print. You can hit him up, Christian at goldlevelmarketing.com. Do you have Christian at goldlevelprint.com?
Christian at goldlevelmarketing.com.
Yeah, so if you need any print stuff, and because you watched this video, just set up a coupon code. What do you want the coupon code to be? Mention Pink Monster on the call. That's how we're gonna know it's you. Pink Monster. If you call and you talk to Christian and you go, hey Christian, I want that Pink Monster hookup, we're gonna give you 15% off any Gold Level Print products. So remember, Pink Monster.
Remember, 15% off.
50% off. And if you want a website, we can do 20% off. So he can do both for you. Again, just because you guys watch my YouTube videos, and I strongly suggest it, and hopefully we can go from that 3% all the way to 5%, and then we'll talk later about the rest. Everything is slowly kind of coming together. Here's our print tech. He bought this couch, and I was like, I don't love the color, but it's getting there. We're gonna add another desk here. We're actually hiring a new print person. Vanessa's the lead designer, and we're gonna have a designer under her. They're gonna focus on all the print products, so strictly print. By the second, we're doing a big hiring spree. If you're actually interested in joining Gold Level Print or Media, you can go to goldlevelmarketing.com/careers, submit your resume, and just be like, yo, I wanna work with you guys. So we have a lot of positioning opening. We're continuing to grow. We're working with the governments as well because they like what we're doing. Long story short, we're growing. So yeah, new person's going here. This floor is killing me though, by the way. It's not, It's not dirty, it's glue. It's glue from them bringing it up, replacing it because there was a roof leaked, the floor got messed up. They replaced all the tiles, but now it's all glue from the flooring. That's what happens when you don't hire a good contractor, by the way. Yeah, and then we just brought the dinner table here. It used to be my old dinner table.
Yeah, I was like, that's a nice table.
Yeah, we had another one. The thing about print, look at this. I don't know who buys this, and I hope it's not under our credit card. But they are stacked up. They have Squirt, they have Sprite, they have Fanta, they have Coke, Powerade,
Chips.
orange juice, a ton of Aquafina, not no Fry's water. We have tap water in our office. They're living their best life. Look at this. They got chips. They got a better microwave than us. I don't know how our headquarters doesn't have all this, but I'm gonna steal some drink. So anyways, that's new. I did buy a van, or we did buy a van. We're gonna use it for something else. There's gonna be a separate video for that. But I just kind of wanted to update you on Go Little Print and what we're doing. All right, guys, so what to expect within the 2 or 3 months of your business is obviously want to continue the growth process, want to continue to invest back into the business, because technically, like I said on my previous videos, you're not going to be making money for the first 6 months to even a year. So what's the best thing that you could do is continuously to improve the functionalities or improve your products, not just marketing, because at the end of the day, if you have great marketing involved, you can have $1 million in marketing and your business can be new, but the problem is that more eyeballs are going to be on your product. So if your product isn't good enough, what's going to happen is more people are just going to know that your product is not good faster than slowly building your product and your marketing with it. So if you're new to business, don't spend $1 million in marketing or $100,000, depending on what you're doing in the industry you're in. If you go all in marketing, and this is coming from a marketing person, if you go all in your marketing and you have some flaws in your business or your product, it's gonna get worse. And the worst part is that you're gonna burn people's taste about your brand. And that's something you don't wanna do. So that's why Ali is here. We're just kind of, showing around because we wanna keep in mind on the new stuff that we're gonna be doing, probably running some new ads that she's gonna be taking care of. Again, we went pretty good in marketing. We grew the product. As you guys can see, that printer did cost us a lot of money. Is because we're gonna be able to do a lot more. We were able to get feedback from calls where they're like, hey, do you guys do this? And we're always like, oh no, we don't. And that's why we're gonna start offering shirts as well soon, because that's one of the products they want. So we wanna be a one-stop complete shop. And within 2 to 3 months, just remember, continue working on your product and improving it, improving the process, and making sure your clients and customers are happy. So next time, it is Efren, the marketer, and
Allie.
and we'll see you next week.